The 2009 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, heated seats, DVD system, navigation system, traction control, airbags, automatic transmission, alloy wheels, front wheel drive, Bluetooth. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.